Imagine having a brilliant assistant by your side, ready to help with any task across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, day or night. This is Microsoft Copilot explained simply. Copilot is Microsoft's AI-powered helper, designed to make your work smarter and faster. Think of it as a smart work assistant that understands your needs. Copilot isn't just about automating tasks. It helps you move from idea to finished work faster, so you spend less time on routine and more on creativity. There are 3 Copilot versions. The free Copilot is a general chatbot you can access in your browser. Copilot Chat adds deeper conversation features, answering questions and providing solutions. Microsoft 365 Copilot is the premium version built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Let's break down how Copilot empowers you in each app. In Word, Copilot can write reports, summarize long documents, and fix grammar. Just tell it what you need, like drafting a letter or improving an essay, and Copilot takes care of the rest. In Excel, Copilot can analyze data, create charts, and build formulas. Imagine asking, "Show sales trends for last quarter." Copilot instantly provides clear visuals and calculations. PowerPoint users get help turning rough ideas into polished slides. Copilot designs entire presentations from your notes and suggests layouts, making your message clear and impressive every time. In Outlook, Copilot organizes your emails, drafts replies, and finds important messages. Instead of searching through inbox clutter, just ask Copilot for what matters most. Teams users enjoy live meeting summaries, quick action items, and clear follow-ups. Copilot keeps everyone focused and connected, so collaboration becomes effortless. Copilot Pages are simple spaces where you can organize ideas, notes, and drafts. It's like a digital notebook, powered by AI, helping you keep everything tidy and easy to find. In real life, students use Copilot to research and write assignments. Office workers speed up reports and emails. Business users analyze data and create presentations with confidence. Beginners rely on Copilot for step-by-step guidance. Copilot isn't just a tool. It's your smart assistant for any task. It makes work smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and support Idrees Tech Review.